Welcome back to another vlog. So we are now off to have some dinner. We just thought we'll show you guys this route. It's called the Golden Mile Galleria, and there's so many food places. It's just so nice. Imagine
and
it.
Golden Mile is in Palm Jumeirah.
The palm trees, guys. It's absolutely amazing, and check it out. We've just seen some people walk their dogs as well here. It's just so nice and so peaceful.
Look at that. It goes past the building. Usually underneath there's cars running as well, roads.
Just makes you think Dubai is absolutely amazing for that. It's just so nice and it's so safe. Like, you know, we're walking here late at night.
So safe, you know, you don't have any drunk people around here.
No, you don't have any hooligans, you don't need to worry coming home. Really, imagine living out here. So
imagine
nice.
jogging this path. Look, it goes so far that way.
Right to the end, guys, and then here as well.
Let's run up. Tells you here how many meters you've gone. And then you've got that path as well.
We made it to this complex.
So
Indian, guys.
We'll show you around.
We're missing home cooked food, guys. We're missing it.
Yeah, almost closing time. As you can see, the restaurant's empty, everyone's gone. Here you are. Sheikh kebab all sizzling away.
Oh, that's looking so good.
Oh yes,
yummy.
look at that.
With the red
Takada, look how thick that is. Oh, Sheikh kebab just sizzling away. We don't want to go too many grills today.
White rice.
Oh, they come in funky little pans. Oh, look at that. That's chicken tower.
Oh, it's looking amazing.
Oh, look at that.
Smelling
Nice
so
little
delicious.
garnish on there. Nice red chili on top of that. So, look at the lamb buna. Oh, wow.
Naans look incredible.
Check out our
They
naan
look
bread.
so yummy. Wow.
They come
Thank
on.
you. Oh,
Look at that salted butter on top of a garlic naan with coriander. My mouth is watering.
Ooh. So RJ's doing a taste test, guys. Onions to go with that.
Yes,
Chili.
sir. That chunk
Mint
of stuff.
sauce.
Nice
Would you like some mint
in it.
sauce?
Yeah. Drizzle, 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 drizzle. Oh. Oh my god. How thin that is.
How thin that is, and look at how flavoursome that looks.
Got chilies on there as well. Proper fresh, look at that. You can taste all them flavours, but it just melts in your mouth.
Nice.
So, tasty.
He's going in with the tarka dal.
Oh, look at that, look
Guys,
at that.
yeah.
You've got pieces in there as well. So nice lumpy pieces.
Oh, that's the texture you love.
Look at the naan bread. Got nice crisp on the outside and it's so soft inside. Let's go in there. Extra garlic, green chili and coriander. Oh my god.
How does it taste? Does it taste good?
So cute, their pans.
So cute. Okay guys, I am going
Oh,
in with
look at that.
the mutton. Ooh,
Oh, it's not New Zealand meat again, is it?
that's a mutton buna, isn't it?
Mutton buna, yeah. That is the chicken tower.
Oh, it's looking so good, and I love the
It's made with chicken
coriander.
tikka, this. Oh, look, they've nicely chopped it up as well.
I'm gonna go in first with
Which
the
one
meat.
is that first?
This
Meat?
is the meat.
Oh,
Yes.
oh my god.
Oh my
look at
god,
that.
oh my god.
Oh,
Can
do
you
that
guys
again,
see
do that again. Let's see
Can
that
you
again.
guys- Oh.
Look at that, do it again, I missed it.
Oh,
Okay,
and
you
this
tell
is
me.
this is effortless, guys.
Where
This
do
is
you
just
see that?
oh my god,
I told
this
you
is
that
just crazy.
New Zealand meat getting slow cooked here is
That
absolutely
looks
nuts.
amazing. That's won me over already.
Oh, how is it?
RJ, this is what we were after. Oh,
Is that what I'm after?
so delicious, so flavoursome. Oh my god, it's so flavoursome, but it's not too chilly. You know how we like it, but it's got that kick in. Oh, it's so delicious. I need to go in again. Oh my god.
Oh, look, we can't stop her now. You're
No,
going to have to
this
go
is
into
for
the
you.
chicken.
This is for you because you need to taste it whilst it's nice and hot. Okay, you need to taste this. How delicious is that? So flavoursome, right?
It's got that naga taste in it.
It does. Chicken
This is the tower. Oh, wow. How?
It's so delicious. It's a little creamy, but it's so delicious. And oh, it tastes so good.
Yeah,
It's
it's got.
kick in there
Has
as
it got
well.
a bit of that matcha paneer kind of flavour
It's got
taste?
that- it's got
Or
that-
is it spicier?
but it's a little spicier, slightly spicier.
Let me show them how I wrap it up. Oh no, you did not just do that. Oh yes, that's why I'm talking business now. We're talking chicken business.
Oh my god.
Okay, so she went and dipped the naan into that. Here we go. We're always wrapping things up. This is absolutely moist, succulent, and it just melts in your mouth. It's fully flavoured, as you can see. I don't even have to mention that. The part that wins it is how succulent it is. It just dissolves in your mouth.
Guys, this was a hit.
You can see the colours of this dish. The lamb. This has won all battles.
It's so
The thing I'm happy about the most is they use chicken thighs there, not breast.
I prefer thighs to breast any day.
Yeah, boneless thigh. Let me show them the shish kebab. See how succulent it still is. All them flavours. Look how juicy it's for this. We're gonna do this one with the pickled onion.
Sorry guys, I'm not talking much. The camera's way too far.
Green chilli.
RJ's gonna do most of the cooking. I'm gonna do most of the eating.
From their garnishes, grab a piece of cucumber, peel it off. Done? Dundee?
Show some more, yeah?
Yes, please. When you mix the lentil with the chicken and you take that bite.
Chicken dancer. Right, RJ?
Yeah. Check out the naan crumbs. They're quite funky here. In Indian restaurants, I generally don't order lamb unless it's actual, like a Pakistani Lahori restaurant. Generally from the Indian restaurants, the chicken is better for me. I have to say, these guys, they're incredible. If I love the lamb, you guys will go absolutely berserk.
Guys, this is the rasmalai, check it out. It's rasmalai!
Oh my god.
Is it good?
They've got a pistachio flavour in the actual rasmalai.
Are you kidding?
No way.
Let's have a look. Guys, we love our rasmalai.
So you know how you got
Absolutely love
the
it.
pistachio here? They've got this flavour in the actual rasmalai. I can taste even the cardamom in that.
But just to recap, this place is based opposite Duke's Hotel. So if you're coming to visit
Duke's and
definitely Fairmont, definitely give this place a try because the food is amazing.
It's a hidden
so,
gem.
So good,
It's
honestly.
definitely a hidden gem. We are absolutely stuffed.
So guys, give this place a go. If you're here.
Look.
Crossing over from the Golden Mile shopping centre, which is just there.
Yeah.
Crossing over to our hotel.
Nice, isn't it? Look, see? All the lights are green. Yeah, look, all lit up. But look, check this. Check this green light for the cars. So it's green light on the road. It's red light for us to cross, and it's red light there. And look, amber. And then look, red and red. And then we're going to be able to cross. See, we can cross. And then look, we can cross.
RJ, hold my hand.
There we go.
Crossing.
Look, all supercars, listen to these engines.
And they're showing off now with the supercars that we're filming them.
See that?
Guys, now that's Dubai.
That's Dubai. Friends with all the supercars.
We can still hear them, guys.
And this is at night in Dubai. You see? They love their supercars.
And we're not going to try and cross now and kill ourselves. Amazed by all
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing, boys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take care.
Thank you so much.
See ya.
Alright guys, so we're gonna call it a night now. We're gonna go and relax for a bit and we'll see you guys in another video.
Take care, guys.
Bye bye.